Hi there, Bo Bachman from Galpin Motors here. I hope you and your family are staying safe. I also hope that you can take a moment to enjoy the little things. Here at Galpin, your safety is our primary concern. So rather than cram everyone into our famous Black Friday sale, we're going to socially distance Black Friday all month long. These deals are crazy. You can get 0% APR financing for 72 months, plus a $2,500 rebate on most new Fords, and make no payments until next year. We're all spread out here, so you can safely choose from the largest selection of new Fords in the world. Or you can shop and buy online at home and get your price and financing options right on Galpin.com. We'll even bring the vehicle out to you. So go to Galpin.com or call us at 1-800-GO-GALPIN and try not to forget about the little things.